To be honest, AI is replacing jobs fast. From customer service reps to content writers, even coders. AI tools like ChatGPT are automating tasks that used to take entire teams. But here's the twist, AI isn't just taking jobs, it's creating new ones. And some of the most in-demand roles right now? They didn't even exist 10 years ago. Think about it. As more software gets built faster, who's testing it? Who's making sure the AI doesn't break things? That's where software testing comes in. Companies need testers, real humans, to check what the machines miss. Automation testing, especially, is booming. It's flexible, it's future-proof, and yes, it pays well. You don't need to be a coding wizard. You just need the right skill, and the right support. And that's exactly what we offer in our upcoming automation testing class this August. If you're thinking of switching careers or adding a tech skill to your tool belt, this is your sign. Send us a DM to book a discovery call. Let's help you start your tech journey.